Hola aventureros, bienvenidos a Your Spanish Roadmap and this fundamental series where I'm going to give you the essential tools that you need on your Spanish journey. Just to let you know, there is a free guidebook to accompany this series and a free cool vocabulary builder in the link below. But for now, we are exploring Spanish subject pronouns. These are the Spanish words for I, you, he, she, we, you plural, and they. And this word identify who is performing the action, the subject. But there is a few things to consider depending on where Spanish is spoken. Pero no te preocupes, don't worry, we're going to explore it together. Vale, so let's actually have a look at what subject pronouns are in Spanish. It's best if we study them in two sets of three, the singular set and the plural set. You will see what I mean. So in the singular set, we have I, yo, you, tú, he and she, él, ella. In the plural set, we have we, nosotros, or nosotras. Nosotras if we're referring to a female group, and nosotros if it's a mixed group or a male group. The same happens with you plural. Vosotros, vosotras. And again, it's repeated in they. Ellos, if it's a male group or mixed, and ellas, if it's just a female group. If you get confused between the masculine and the feminine subject pronouns, if you make a mistake, native speakers will still understand you. So let's go one more time. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. So what do we have to consider? Well, we have two more subject pronouns that are used to formally refer to tú, you, or vosotros and vosotras, you plural, which are usted and ustedes. Usted is the formal and polite way to refer to tú, you in English. And ustedes is the formal way to refer to you plural, vosotros or vosotras. In Latin America, they generally use usted and ustedes. They also use tú, but much less frequently than in Spain. And they almost never use vosotros. They use ustedes. Here in Spain, we can also use usted and ustedes, but it shows a lot of respect. It's like a you with a built-in sir or mom. However, if you haven't already, you will eventually come across verb conjugations in Spanish. That's to say that we're going to change the end of the verb depending on who or what subject is performing the action. And you might be thinking, why are you telling me about conjugations now? Well, usted and ustedes are the formal way of referring to tú and vosotros, vosotras. However, we are going to conjugate them in he, she, in the case of usted, and when you use ustedes, you need to use the they, ellos, ellas conjugation. So if we were to look at these sets of three again, we will see that usted and ustedes come in these positions here, even though they actually mean tú and vosotros. And that's everything you need to know on subject pronouns. I've put together a course guidebook with all this information, and you can find it in the link below with a really cool and free vocabulary builder. I personally think this is a great resource for the start of your Spanish journey. Let me know if you like this. I'm going to be making a lot more useful content for students that are learning my beautiful language. So, if you want me to be your travel companion through the Spanish language, subscribe. Y nos vemos muy pronto. I'll see you very soon. Hasta luego!